Hey everybody, I'm in my kitchen, the La Flamme kitchen, and so I don't mind my hair. It was a very lazy Sunday. I didn't even go out of the house today. So I did finally try my cinnamon rolls, homemade, risen cinnamon rolls, and it was a little bit of a struggle. I couldn't, the dough didn't rise properly, I don't think. It didn't look like it did, and I've made like white bread before and it's come out great. So a couple of greens were supposed to be room temperature and they weren't. And you bakers out there, I know you're going, no, and cringing at the video of my cinnamon rolls. So kudos to all you experienced bakers out there, because baking really is science, to an extent, or completely. You know, everything's measured and tells you to room temperature stuff, room temperature it, you know, that kind of thing. So anyways, took a little video of it, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, well, I'm going to cover them up, let them rise some more, and see what they look like after. Stay tuned. Alright, so this was my end result. I know they're a little bit squished in there. I happen to like the insides of the cinnamon rolls, so I don't mind like all the sides actually being covered, so they're not crunchy, they're moist. I just made a simple vanilla confectionery frosting. Alright, here we go. Overall, honestly, like, it came out pretty good. I don't think it was too bad. I thought it was going to be like an epic fail. Tastes good too. That's a win.